Hello everyone. Welcome to CRM Fundamental course. In the last lesson, we learned how to create prototypes for all mobile pages. In this lesson, we will learn how to create interactive demos. In the process of new product or feature development, user research and testing, sales and marketing, internal communication, and training, we can use interactive demos to effectively showcase product features, enhance user experience, promote team collaboration, and facilitate promotion and marketing. Let's enter the home page. On this page, we have entrances to various features. We need to add interactivity to them to link to the corresponding pages. First is the leads icon and text. We will make them into a dynamic panel so that their hotspots expand to the entire dynamic panel. Then add an interaction to link to the lead management page when clicked. Other icons and texts are set up similarly. Next is the interaction for the calendar. We add a click interaction to the Today button to select the 9th. Next are the items in the tasks list. Add a click interaction to jump to the task details page when clicked. Then for the items in the bottom navigation bar, we add interactions to all items to navigate to the respective pages. Copy all items. Then enter the dashboard page. Paste the elements. Here we only need to copy the open link interaction of each item to the same item. Then delete the pasted elements. Then enter the notification page and perform the same operation. Then enter the Me page and perform the same operation. On the Me page, we first select the user profile section at the top. Add a click interaction to open the profile page. Then add click interactions to the Account button, Settings button, and Logout button. Link them to the respective pages. Next, let's check each page one by one. We need to add interactions to the Back button, Save button, and Cancel button on all pages to return to the previous page. If there is an Add button, add a click interaction to open the Add page. If the height exceeds the screen height and there is no hotspot at the bottom, add a hotspot for spacing. Modify the titles if they are incorrect. Combine all items of the product list and add interactions to link them to the product details page. The Edit button in the bottom navigation bar also needs to be linked to the respective page. Then we link all cards to their respective pages. Then we set all filter panels to be hidden. This way, the interactive demo is complete. Enter the sign-in page and preview the prototype. Click on the sign-in button to enter the home page. Then click on the leads icon to enter the lead management page. Click the add button to enter the new lead page. Click the confirm button. Return to the lead management page. You can scroll and click on tab labels. You can also operate the buttons on the bottom navigation bar. Then return to the home page, where you can perform similar operations for other functions. After checking all interactions, our demo is complete. You can now demonstrate it to clients, show it to development team members, and use it for internal communication and training. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.